Hey guys, welcome to Motivational Monday. My goal is to clean out the refrigerator. It is pretty nasty, as you'll be able to see soon. And before that, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the kitchen. So go ahead and clean with me. Hey guys, so I just finished the kitchen, which was a big deal because I have all these little distractions here. And I'm homeschooling, of course, so it takes a little bit longer to do chores around here. The refrigerator is next, and I plan on cleaning that out and organizing it a little better. I don't want to do it. I don't want to. But it's something that has to be done. So I'm just gonna put my big girl britches up and get to it. So now I am just emptying out the entire refrigerator so I can start a nice clean slate. And it is so refreshing just to get everything out of there so you can start brand new. So here's what we're dealing with. Oh, it's so gross, guys. Yuck. Oh my word. How nasty is that? Ugh. It's been way too long. Way too long. Gross. Alright, let's do this. There is the finished product. That was a lot of time and a lot of work, but hey, look how clean it is. Oh my goodness. So nice. It's an older refrigerator, but that's okay. It works. And it's good for us for now, so until we upgrade. It looks so much better, guys. Oh, now to put all the food back in. Through all this food, I put all the food on the countertops. Not much to get rid of, but hey. all done. I am so excited. Oh my goodness. My refrigerator is clean. Look at this bad boy. Wow. Oh, so nice and clean, guys. Now I realize it is time to go grocery shopping. Getting a little sparse there on our groceries. Don't touch any. No. Poison. Poison. Don't touch poison. Maybe I should hide those somewhere else. I don't know. Alright, there it is, guys. Thanks for joining me.
I want some apple.
Okay.
I'll get an apple.
Alright, you have an apple.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Thanks so much for joining me, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. Go blow your nose. I hope this video brought a little motivation to your fabulous Monday. It is actually sunny outside, guys. It's sunny. The sun is sunny. The sun is sunshining outside. It's sunshining outside. See you later, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me on this awesome journey of mine called the motherhood life. Oh my goodness. Son, get your rollerblades out of the laundry. I'm gonna get me some food in my belly and some coffee in my hand, and I'll be okay. I'll be alright for the day. Bye.